Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 21st of March. It's a Wednesday. Also, the Fed has just made some announcements about rates. We'll go over that. I'll tell you this about cotton. The cotton market today was up all day until the final few minutes of the day. It seemed that there were people looking to push the market up all day and just finally at the end said, okay, I'm out. And the market slid back off. We had kind of a mixed bag in the grains, mostly up. We're looking at the dollar down, crude oil is up, gold and silver up, and the stock market's up. So evidently, with the Dow Jones up right now over 200, they're not turned off by the Fed's announcements. And I'm looking here on Bloomberg at their opening statement. It said Federal Reserve officials meeting for the first time under Chairman Jerome Powell raised the benchmark lending rate a quarter of a point and forecast a steeper path of hikes in 2019 and 2020, citing an improving economic outlook. Policymakers continued to project a total of 3 increases this year. That's actually a little bit more conservative than some people had thought. So that's the reason the stock market has rallied some after this announcement. We have exports tomorrow. Go ahead and say that now. That's usually sort of the highlight of the week each Thursday at 7:30 when that comes out as far as news right now in the grain market and the cotton market. Let's see where we closed. Cotton down 47 in May at 82.61. The low of the day made on the close or in the closing minutes 82.54. The high was 83.86, and then the low I just mentioned. July cotton down 37 at 82.81. December cotton down 1 at 77.98. May soybeans up a penny and a quarter at 10.29.5. A high of 10.37 1/4. A low of 10.24 3/4. May corn up a quarter at 3.74 3/4. A high of 3.75 3/4. A low of 3.73 3/4. Wheat was down a half at 4.52.5 with a high of 4.54.5 and a low of 4.46 3/4. Looking over, the dollar right now is down 40. Crude oil has had a good rally today. We're up there $1.58, and we did have EIA energy stocks come out today, so it's reacting to those numbers. Gold up $14 an ounce, silver up 30 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now is up 183. So that's it. We will see you first thing in the morning for our morning update, followed by our Ag Market Network weekly market outlook that comes out at the time that exports come out. That's brought to you by FiberMax, and we'll look forward to having you then. Thanks.